up YouTube? It's your girl Maya Sakir. If you didn't know me, and if you do know me, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, in today's video I decided I was going to show the behind the scenes of me doing my own DIY photo shoot for my birthday. It is September 2nd. This is my birthday month. The whole month of September is dedicated to me, period. But anyway, my birthday is September 24th though. It's in the end, so I am big Libra over here. But yeah, I just decided I was gonna record me doing my photo shoot, you know, just to save some coins, this, that, and the third. I feel like it's gonna turn out cute. I've seen some inspirations from other people on TikTok and stuff like that. So as of right now, I did just finish doing my makeup. I did my hair, like I was on my hair like 11 o'clock this morning. It is now almost 6 o'clock, I think. Yeah, so I've been a little busy. Like, this was a fresh wig. I bleached it and stuff last night, but it just took long, I guess, because I was trying to perfect it. I was trying to make sure it looked good, because this is a photo shoot, you know, so I don't want it just because it's at home, I don't want it to look any kind of way. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we about to do. But as of right now, I'm finished with the face and stuff. I need to put on my press-on nails that I have, and also I gotta get dressed. And what else I need to do? I need to shave under my arms and stuff, but that might be a little too much information. but I do need to do that. And I gotta also set up my little setup over there, and I'm gonna show y'all all that. But as of right now, I'm finna shave the parts that I need to shave, so it just, you know, so I can look good under my arms too. Finna go and do that. Then I'm gonna start getting dressed, and then I'm gonna put on my press-on nails. Like, I don't want to put on my nails and then have to get dressed, because what I'm wearing, I don't want the nails to poke a hole in it and all that other stuff. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm dressed. I just put on my nails. Let me show y'all my nails. These some press-on nails. Of course they are. But I got these from Ulta. I love these brand name nails. It'd be so hard putting on this hand because I'm right-handed, so doing it with my left hand just too much. Okay, so I crinkled my hair way earlier today, and yeah, it probably needs a little freshen up. So I'm gonna try to freshen it up a little bit. I turned on my crinkler. I really wish I had a bigger crinkler, but this is the one I got. So let me just see. I'm gonna just kind of freshen up the front, if anything. Y'all, hope these pictures turn out right, because I am not a professional editor like, you know, photographers and stuff. So we gonna see. I'm excited because I really feel like it's gonna come cute. I feel like I'm gonna do my shit. So
real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass.
I can't wait to do this photo shoot. I feel like I'm gonna get so agitated, but I'm not gonna say that. It's gonna be a good shoot. I'm gonna get some good clips. Well, some good shots. And that's gonna be that. The theme for this shoot is like grown and sexy. I am entering my mid-20s. I'm not young 20s no more. I'm in my middle 20s. So, you know, giving grown and sexy. And I don't have nobody taking my pictures for me. I'm gonna be doing them myself. So that's what makes this even more interesting. Like, I can't wait to see how they're gonna come out. So yeah, I don't know if I'm trying to give a look like in my face, or I'm trying to give more like a out my face type of look. I don't know. I feel like the in my face is kind of sexy too. Or I could do both. If I need to come in here and freshen it up after the first couple shots, then I will do that. But yes, this is the hair. This is the top, y'all. I got this top from Shein. It's a little bralette. Boobs is out right here, but it's covered up. My other part is covered up right here. And yeah, it crisscross in the back, and I have on some knitted tights. I think that's what they call. But y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. This is super cute. I'm really liking these. I low-key want to spray some more setting spray on my face, because I did earlier. What's up, y'all? I am done with the photo shoot finally. As you can see, I changed my lipstick color. That red was getting a little dry, it was getting crusty, and I had to take that off. I did a little nude lip, whatever. I did change clothes too. Just got on some tight shirt and some shoes. My homegirl finna come scoop me. We finna go get some daiquiris. I'm gonna just ride around with her. It is Saturday. I don't want to be stuck in the house on a Saturday, so. But I had to do this photo shoot like today. I had to. It was a little tough, I ain't gonna lie, because most DIY I be seeing sometimes where people have assistants, they have a friend or something to take the pictures for them. I didn't, so me using a tripod, going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, y'all. It's a lot, but once y'all see them results, y'all gonna be like, oh my God, I'm gonna start doing this. Like, this is Betty on a budget, how to do a photo shoot for under $100. But it may be under $50, honestly. I'm gonna have to check my receipts and stuff and see how much everything was. And I'm gonna just tell y'all. Well, y'all gonna see it in the title or something of this video. I mean, obviously, of how much everything was. Like, Betty on a budget, DIY photo shoot, period. But anyway, that is it, y'all. This video was a little short and sweet, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all see that y'all don't have to go pay people $300 for a photo shoot unless you just want to not worry about the hassle of doing this. You can go the cheap route, or you can go the expensive route and pay somebody to do it, which, I mean, like I said, I would have had somebody do mine, but I feel like this would have been a great little project to do for my channel and stuff like this. So y'all, it's big 24, Libra season coming up. The Virgos, y'all need to scoot over because we coming through here. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna catch you on this video.